Never take your mother for granted. Never disrespect her, not even in moments of anger. Never turn your back on her. Remember, she was the first to love you, before you even took your first breath. She was there. She carried you for months, filled your every move, and endured the pain, bringing you into this world. Can you even imagine the depth of that love? She gave up so much of herself, so you could become who you are. Have you ever looked into her eyes and noticed the quiet prayers? A concern she never speaks of. Every wrinkle on her face tells a story of battles fought for your sake. Never forget, she's more than just the one who brought you into life. She's the protector of your soul, the one who knows your deepest secrets, the constant in your ever-changing world. So honor her, because within her heart lies the truest love you'll ever know. A mother's love is the strongest and the most pure love. It is unending and will never change, no matter what happens.